Cord.
I'm Cody, and I will be giving you the overall industry assessment that Amazon is currently in. So starting off first, we will go over Porter's 5 Forces model, and starting with the intensity of rivalry among competing firms, we can see that we gave this an overall rating of moderate. We did this because there are a lot of companies in this industry that are competing against each other, and Amazon is in such a prime position where they control such a dominating part of the market, which is why we gave this just a moderate rating. Next, looking at the bargaining power of suppliers, we gave this a overall rating of low. The reason for this being that there are so many suppliers for these big companies because they want to get their product online, get their ease of access to their customers. So they're all constantly competing and trying to get into these big markets, which Amazon is currently running, therefore the low rating. Next, we look at the bargaining power of buyers, and this is a moderate to high rating. The reason being for this is that there are so many different suppliers of these similar products at similar price ranges that buyers can switch back and forth from at virtually no cost to the buyer. So this makes it very easy for them to switch between companies, making it a moderate to more of a high threat to Amazon. Next, we look at the threat of new entrants, and we gave this an overall rating of moderate. One being the economies of scale that Amazon has. They have the majority of the share in the market, and their channels of distribution are far greater than those of other companies. So what we said is the only way that a company really could enter into the market and be successful is if they focus on the smaller niche items that Amazon doesn't primarily focus on and make their success doing those smaller types of sales. Next, we look at the threat of substitutes, and we gave this a rating of moderate to high as well. Again, being because there are so many different suppliers in the market, a lot of different options for buyers to choose between back and forth. So therefore the moderate rating. Looking at what makes this industry attractive, obviously today we see the large change in society with everyone having mobile cell phones, access to everything at their fingertips. So it makes online shopping just that much easier and a lot more convenient for people when they can sit on their couch at home and buy the items they need without even having to leave their house. Along with that, the technological advances that we've seen, especially with Amazon, using Amazon Alexa, customers can buy items and get items restocked for them just by using Alexa, not even using their smartphone. They can say, Alexa, order me this, Alexa, order me that, Alexa, I need more of this, and the item will show up at their doorstep using Amazon's free delivery system that everyone can use with a Prime membership. The things that are not as attractive in this industry are, again, the ease of making an online website and retailers selling their products at their own rate, I guess, without going through these large distributors like Amazon. So now if we take a look at the strategic group map, you can see that we have Walmart and Amazon grouped together, taking up the largest majority of this market. These two are grouped together because they sell a large variety of products, very similar products, at the lower price range of a lot of the competitors in this industry. As you'll see, like eBay and Target are a little higher. Target sells a little more higher quality products, therefore their price is a little higher and their product variety is a little less. And eBay runs a little bit of a different format than Amazon. Their using a seller to seller approach, whereas Amazon is using retailer to seller, and therefore their prices are a little bit higher because they're selling products at a more differentiated way. So taking all of this into effect, we can see why Amazon is in such a dominating position in this industry.